Welcome to the channel Kids. Sunshine Kids. Today we will learn about what do plants need. Hello. Are you ready for today's fun learning? Let's talk about plants. What do you know about plants? Do you have plants at home? Share your thoughts with someone next to you. Let's observe. Could you look at the plants around you? What do you think makes them grow? Discuss with the class. What do plants need? Light, air, water. Plants need light. Plants need light for photosynthesis. It is the process plants use to make their food. Plants need water. Water carries essential nutrients from the soil to the plant. Plants need water for photosynthesis. Plants need air. Plants need air to breathe. They need oxygen to change food into energy. Plants need space to grow. Plants' roots and leaves need space so that they can spread out and absorb water and nutrients. Plants need nutrients. Nutrients are substances that help plants to grow and stay healthy. Think time. What do you think will happen if plants do not receive what they need to grow? What will the plants look like? Let's reflect. What do you learn from today's activity? Write down your reflection in your journal book. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you for your time, kids. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.